Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your seats, because what you're about to witness might just blow your nostalgic brains out. Yes, we're talking about a car that people either love to hate, or hate to love, the one and only Volkswagen Beetle. But wait, this is not your grandma's bug. This, my friends, is the Beetle Reborn. And it didn't just get a makeover. It got the West Coast Customs treatment. That's right. The legendary shop known for turning meh into oh my god just dropped their take on the humble VW, and let me tell you, it's anything but humble. We're talking a two-tone paint job so clean it looks like it was dipped in luxury. That upper body, white like a snowstorm in Aspen. The lower half, a dark blue so deep you could drown in it. And those wheel arches, they've been beefed up like a bodybuilder on cheat day. Plus, side skirts, chrome bumpers, and wheels so chunky they look like they were stolen from a monster truck beauty pageant. But here's the kicker. They only gave us one shot of the interior. One, uno. And yet, even that sneak peek is enough to make your jaw hit the floor. Blue and silver accents? Check. Retro white gauges? You bet. And a steering wheel that screams vintage class with just a hint of don't mess with me. Now listen. I've never been a die-hard Beetle fan. Heck, I've barely been a mildly interested one. But this build? This thing turned my skepticism into straight-up admiration. It's classy, it's bold, it's loud in the best way possible, just like every good American remix of a European classic should be. So here's the real question. Is this West Coast Customs Beetle a misunderstood masterpiece, or just another flashy showpiece that'll get lost in the algorithm? Either way, you've got eyes, and you've got opinions. Let us know below, because one thing's for sure, this Beetle isn't just back, it's back with a vengeance.